Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to enable biometrics login, that's Face ID or Touch ID, in the Lendingclub app so that you can access your Lendingclub accounts securely and quickly. I'm going to show you some steps, so let's get into it. The first step is to open the app. So go ahead and launch the Lendingclub mobile app on your smartphone, and then make sure your device itself already has Face ID or Touch ID set up in its system settings. Next is to log in normally first. So you're going to enter your username and password to log in normally, and then biometrics can only be enabled once you're already inside your account. So go ahead and log in normally, and once you're in, go to settings. So you're going to tap from the app's main screen, just tap the menu. You can usually find that at the top right corner, and then you're going to select settings or login and security. From there, you're going to enable biometrics login. So just look for an option like enable Touch ID or enable Face ID, and then just tap on it to turn it on. Once that's done, you're going to confirm with your device, because your phone is going to prompt you either with a scan of your fingerprint or to look at the camera just to confirm. But once that's approved, biometrics login is now active. And of course, you can go ahead and test it out. So just close and reopen the app. Instead of typing in your password, you're now going to be asked to log in using your fingerprint or your Face ID. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. You've successfully set up biometrics login, a balance of convenience and strong security. Hope you liked this video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.